How to remove saved login info on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and in today's video we will see how we can remove saved login info on Instagram. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. After that, you will land in your home page. From here, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Now once you're on your profile page, tap on the three-line icon from the top right corner. From here, tap on the first option, that is Account Center. Now under Account Center, scroll down a bit and then tap on Password and Security. Under Password and Security, at the top section, there is a Saved Login option. Tap on it. Now you have to choose your Instagram account. And at the top, there is a toggle that says Saved Login. Now to remove your saved login info, simply turn off the toggle. And then tap on Remove. And now you have removed your saved login info, and next time if you try to log into your account, you will have to enter your password again. So that's the way to remove saved login info on Instagram, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.